Hey everybody, I'm Andy Smith. I'm a 30-year comic book veteran, having worked for Marvel Comics, DC Comics, Image Comics, Cross Generation, Ominous Press. You name it, I've probably worked for them. And I do other things art-wise outside of comics in the field of advertising. I've also written some books on drawing comics you might have seen. Drawing American manga superheroes, Drawing Dynamic Comics was my first book. And I also did the handy little How to Draw Superhero sketchbook where all you need is a pencil because you do all the work right inside the book. Enough about that. This is the Book Look series. The Book Look series is where I grab a book off my library. You can see the tons of books I have behind me. And I go through it page by page with you so you can see if it's a book that you might want to buy. I like to know what I want to buy before I buy it, and I feel this is a way to give you some insight into these books. So join me for today's book look. Thanks. What's up, everybody? Today I got some mail. It's the mail call. All right, let's open this up. It is from Genuine Comics, so I know what it is. But do you? Let's find out together. Andy Smith here, 32-year veteran of the comic book industry, now doing his own stuff with Astonishing Comics. That is my brand. Check it out. Kor-Drath, The Reckoning, now on Indiegogo and Kickstarter. 76 badass pages of barbarian action. All right, let's see what we got here. All the way from the Netherlands. That is right. Perfect 10. Got a magnet. Got some trading cards. Let's look at them. Nice. Oh, very cool. Artwork by Renee Bergmans. I'm going to screw up names. Frontrunner. Ethos, Phantasma, Stellar, Iceberg, Wisp, Pinball. Very nice, very nicely packaged right here. That's cool. Let's open up the book itself. See the goodies. Got a mini print here by my buddy Randy Green. Love Randy's work. That is very nice. Randy's such a great artist. Another mini print here by Pal Rodricks. Big fan of his stuff. Very cool. Dynamic. Another one here by Pal. Pal, baby! Oh, Joe Bennett. Nice. A little Joe Bennett action. Backboard. And in the book itself, that's the back cover. There it is. Perfect 10. Yes, she is. Bow chicka wow wow. This is issue 3, and I do have 1 and 2. So this is one I'll always be getting. Dave Brink, great guy. Been on his channel before. He's very cool. Oh, the back cover's by Alan Goldman. Let's look at that again. Oh, yeah. Nice. This is a fun book. Highly recommend it. Really nice art. Fun story. I'm not going to do every page by page because the book did just come out. I don't want to ruin things, especially for me because I got to read this bad boy. So very cool though. Nice, fun superhero stuff here. Pal's work is just great. I really enjoy his art. I have a sketchbook by him actually that I'll have to go through on one of my book looks. So that is it. I don't want to ruin it. There you go. American Bliss. Father's Pride. Cool. Cross Worlds, nice. Expanding the Genuine Comics universe. That's what we like to see. So that is it. Quick, simple, to the point. I got the book. I got, how many mini prints did I get? Oh no, stuck to the comic bag was stuck to one of the prints. Oh well. The back of it, luckily. 1, 2, 3, 4 mini prints. 4 mini prints. 4 trading cards and a partridge in a pear tree. On the first day of opening books, my true love gave to me perfect 10. There you go, guys. Quick little unboxing of a new crowdfund that I just got. Like I say, I back them, I forget about them, and then when they show up, it's like Christmas. That's the way I always recommend to everybody doing it. Back it, forget it, and then when it shows up, boom, baby. It's Christmas time is here. All right, thanks for joining me. Guys, please go check out my book, Kor-Drath, The Reckoning. 76 pages of bombastic barbarian action. Guaranteed to light you up, to light your fire. You will love the book. You will be enthralled with it. You won't be able to put it down. 76 pages. I'm working on page 41. Guys, go check it out. I'll catch you next time. Like, subscribe, and share. You know the drill. Bye, everybody.
Retribution! Oh yeah, we want retribution! Oh yeah, we want retribution!